I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming essentials, Python 3, Exon path and VS Code installed. Once done, install the official Python extension so linting and IntelliSense work. Next, open your project folder in VS Code and create a new Py file. This anchors the workspace. Make sure the status bar shows the Python interpreter selector. If it doesn't, click it and pick the installed interpreter. This immediate setup gets you into an editable, debuggable environment quickly. Once the workspace exists, create and activate a virtual environment to isolate dependencies. Use Python mvenv. Venv, then activate it from the integrated terminal so VS Code uses the right interpreter. After activation, pip install required packages and confirm they appear in the Python. Show environment menu. Next, configure settings like linting, format on save, and choose black or AutoPep 8 for formatting. Doing this ensures reproducible runs and consistent code style across your project. Now run and debug your code. Use run Python file for quick checks or the terminal for arguments. For deeper inspection, set breakpoints and launch the debugger from the run view. Step into over and watch variables to understand flow. When tests fail, run pytest from the terminal and inspect stack traces. If something breaks, make sure the selected interpreter matches your venv, confirm path settings, and check the Python extension output for errors. These fixes resolve most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.